What's up, everybody? Justin here. If you're new to my channel, it's Gunther Spot. If you've been here before, welcome back. Anyway, this is just a quick oil change tutorial on the Honda CBR500R. So what you got to do is get your girlfriend and make her hold it.
Yeah, that's what we're good for. Holding your bike up.
Yeah. So first thing you want to do is let your engine idle for 3 to 5 minutes and let the oil warm up. And next, you want to come over here and remove the filler cap. And you want to come down here and you'll see there is your drain plug right there. So you want to take that out. I mean, obviously it's not in there. We took it out. It's about done dripping there. Probably loosen up the filter. Let me show you how to do that real quick. Now, they have wrenches for these, but you see right there, watch out, these pipes are hot. They cooled down a little bit. They have wrenches, but you can usually get them by hand. Oh yeah, see, that's coming right off. So you just unscrew that. There it is right there. Yeah, there's some more. You see it's dripping on that exhaust pipe there, so make sure you wipe that off, because you know, once it gets hot you will smell oil. Alright, so there you go, remove your filter, let that drain out. Alright, now at this point you can either replace the new filter or you can replace the oil drain plug. As long as all the oil's drained, you go ahead and replace them both. Now put your plug back in and the filter, but make sure with your filter that you do the new bead of oil around the top of the gasket, like this here. It's a little bit tight in here, but we're gonna put the plug back in. Right now, okay. Yeah, make sure your washer is on the outside. And, you know, I just usually tighten by hand. And then, once you can't tighten it with your fingers anymore, it's a 1/2 inch socket. It actually might be a little bit smaller than a 1/2 inch, but 1/2 inch is what I got. It seems to be working. So anyway, there may be specific torque you want to tighten this to, so check the manufacturer specifications. So that's it. Just make sure your plug is tight. Just in case y'all are wondering, that's the oil filter that I use. Got it right on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. It's like $7, I think. And this is the oil. That's the recommended from Honda. The oil and the filter was about $40, and I mean, you bring this in to have it done at a shop, they're going to charge you $100. So it's always better to do it yourself, I think. This is the 2017 model, and this one takes 3.38 quarts of oil. You can see right there is your window when the bike is level. See, there's not enough in there now, but when the bike's level you'll be able to see that, and you can see it's got the lines on it for the proper fill level, so it's pretty simple. So I got my bigger funnel on there, and I'm at about 3 quarts right now, and you can see when you turn the bike level, that window, it comes right up to the line. So that's pretty close. I'm gonna fire it up, let it circle through a little bit, and then probably about another 1/2 quart to go. It should be good. There it is. Comes up right to the line. About 3.4 quarts. Well, 3.38 is what it calls for, but I doubt that 0.02 is going to hurt it any. All right, everybody, and hope this helped. See you soon.